La-di-da-di-da. Yeah, man, just like a normal day shopping. You know, I'm getting my crackers, my Chef Boyardee, you know, the beefaroni. I don't fuck with that ravioli shit. So let's just keep going. What the? Why is everyone staring at me? What did I do? Nani, my throat. I feel something coming. Oh no. No, it's all, no, just a cough, bro. No, I had some fucking peppermint, bro. I had a peppermint, bro. Bro, it was just a cough. Oh shit, why did I come from the freaking window, bro? Oh, chill, it was just a cough. It was just a cough. It was just a fucking cough, bro. Listen here, you dirtbag. The next time you cough in public, it'll be your last. Scum. So make sure you stay your ass at home. Hey, why did you punch me? You little shit. Breathe. No. It was just a cough.